Now that we've concluded the lab data acquisition part of our temperature probe experiment for the energy content in food from our homemade calorimeter, we use the temperature probe and we're using logger light to data log. Using your information, we're going to go now is over the equation and information that you're going to need. Can anybody tell me what equation we need? Okay, you're right. It's energy released, E released, energy released from the food in grams. Of grams, and we're using joules is energy, where joule is in relation to calorie, which is an SI unit for energy. What we're going to do, this is going to equal the mass of the water, which will be on your table, mass of the water in grams, times the temperature rise, or the differential between when we started the temperature probe and when we ended, using your data graphing. So that's going to be, we're going to multiply that times the temperature change, or the temperature rate. The rate, and that's going to be in degrees Celsius. Now all of this is going to be, we're going to divide that by the mass of the food. In this case, the sample that I went through, the mass of the food was initially 18.5 grams. So we're going to divide all this is equals, we're going to divide this by the mass of our food sample. This is the equation we're going to get using to find out how much energy a peanut has. So, some basic information. We started with the peanut that we did is an initial mass, we'll say I mass, initial mass of 18.5 grams. Now the final mass after we burn it was 18 grams. That's the final, 18.0 grams, that's final mass. Then we took the difference between the final mass and the